Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video we will see a new recipe of pineapple cake. I'll be showing you how to prepare pineapple cake in a very detailed way, as well as I'll be showing how to prepare pineapple glaze and pineapple crush at home itself. So if you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press on the bell icon button to get the notifications. Let's get started. Take a kadai, put some regular cooking salt. Place a stand and close the lid. We need to preheat it for 10 minutes. So step 1 is to prepare the base of the cake. So to a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of fresh curd. To it add 1/4 cup of oil. Now give it a good mix. Now add dry ingredients, that is 1 cup of maida, powdered sugar 1/2 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1/2 teaspoon. We need to sift all these dry ingredients. Now with the help of whisker, we need to whisk it. Now to make a batter, add milk gradually. Totally here I have used 1/4 cup of milk. You need to add milk gradually and make a batter of it. See the batter? This is perfect. Now let's add yellow food color. Adding food color is totally optional. If you want you can add, if you don't want you can skip it. Now add pineapple essence 1/2 teaspoon. Pineapple essence is must, or else it won't give the flavor of pineapple cake, as we are preparing pineapple cake. Now add vinegar 1 teaspoon. You need to add vinegar at last itself because it reacts with baking soda and it makes our cake very light. After adding vinegar, we need to give a good mix, and then immediately we need to transfer the batter to a cake tin. Here I have greased my 6-inch cake tin. I have greased it with the oil. You can grease it with the butter also. Then tap gently. And now is the time for baking. Open the lid and place the cake tin. Close the lid and bake it for 30 minutes at low flame. Let the cake bake, and now the step 2 is to prepare pineapple glaze. So to a pan, add fresh pineapple juice 1 cup, or else if you don't have pineapple juice, then you can add water 1 cup. Then add 1/2 cup of sugar and lemon juice. Pineapple essence 1/2 teaspoon. And a pinch of yellow food color. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. We need to give a good mix. We need to remove all the lumps. See, now it's lump free, there is no lump at all. Yeah, this is perfect. Now let's on the flame, and we need to cook until it gets thick in its consistency. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, see the thickness? This is perfect. Let's off the flame. And until it cools down, we need to keep on stirring it. Yeah, this is perfect consistency. Let's keep it aside. So our pineapple glaze is ready. See, our cake has baked after 30 minutes. Let's insert the skewer and check. It has come out clear. Let's cover it with a cloth and let it cool down. Now third step is to prepare pineapple crush. So to a pan, add 1 cup of water. In goes 2 tablespoons of sugar. And there goes pineapple 1/2 cup. This is the fresh chopped pineapple. If you want, you can use canned pineapple also. We need to close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes until it gets softer. See here, it has boiled. Now let's separate the sugar syrup and pineapple crush. So you can see in one bowl there is pineapple sugar syrup, and in another bowl there is pineapple crush. See the pineapple crush. Now keep it aside, and now let's see the fourth step, that is to whip the cream. So here I have taken chilled whipping cream. We need to whip until we get the stiff peaks from it. Remember, the bowl and the blades both should be very cold while whipping. See, the stiff peaks has come. Let's keep it aside. See, I've demolded our cake. See how soft and spongy it is. Now place it on a cake board. Now let's divide the cake into 3 layers, and this is the first layer I'm cutting. Trying to make it even. See the first layer. Now let's cut the second layer of the cake. Try to make the layers even. Yeah, see the second layer. Now put the pineapple sugar syrup. Sugar syrup helps the cake to be moist. Now put the pineapple crush. Now put the layer of whipping cream. Spread it. Now keep the second layer of the cake. Repeat the same process. Put the sugar syrup. Now put the pineapple crush. And then put the layer of whipping cream. After spreading the whipping cream evenly, now let's keep the third layer of the cake. Repeat the same process. Put the sugar syrup. And now put the whipping cream. Cover whole of the cake with the whipping cream. After covering the whole of the cake with the whipping cream, we need to refrigerate it for few minutes, and then we are going to level it off. See, I had kept in the refrigerator and now I am leveling it. See how beautiful a pineapple cake looks. Now let's put the pineapple glaze. I forgot to mention one point earlier. If you're using water instead of fresh pineapple juice to prepare the glaze, then also you need to put the pineapple essence. Now drizzle the pineapple glaze from the sides also. It gives a good look. Wipe whatever has fallen down on the cake board. Now let's whip some whipping cream with the help of piping bag. Here I have done simple designs. If you want, you can do any other any designs of your choice. Now let's do the border for our cake. This is the very simple border, but it's quite interesting. See here, I finished doing border for our cake. How beautiful it looks. Let's do the same design in the center also. And on the top, let's keep some cherries. See how beautiful and tempting it looks. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it was. If you want, you can send me the photographs of the cake through Gmail. Gmail ID is given in the description box below. I'll be posting those pictures in my Instagram. While cutting itself, you can guess how soft it is. It has come out the same way how you get in the bakery. And let me know in the comment section in which occasion you're going to prepare this cake. So here it's done with the recipe.